Hey guys, it's Dani from West Coast Sweaty Moss. I'm here today to talk to you about the sit-up that we do in the Bikram Yoga sequence. This sit-up is so important. We do it 8 times throughout the class. That's 8 different opportunities to strengthen your core. I hear a few times from a few other people that maybe the core doesn't get enough attention, but if you really practice with these sit-ups and you do them in the right way, your core gets a lot of attention through the class. So let's go ahead and talk about a few things throughout the sit-up that we need to really pay attention to. If this might be your sit-up, this is definitely the video for you. Lying back on the mat. If your heels come off the floor, hands, palms face the ceiling, inhale, exhale, sit up. This might be the video for you. So let's do that one more time. Remember, flex your feet, heels towards the wall, toes towards your face, arms over the head. Inhale, prepare. On your exhale, sit up. Turn around and have a great class. All right, guys, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, definitely meet us at the front desk, or you can even comment in the section below. We will answer your questions as soon as we get the chance. Again, my name is Dani. We are always here to help, always here to welcome you to the 4 corners of your mat. The light in me honors the light in you.